everybody, and welcome to part 6 of our Turing tumble video. So in today's video we'll do puzzle number 6. So today's objective is blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, dot, dot, dot. Same objective as last time. So we have 5 crossovers and 2 ramps as our available pieces. So you can pause this video and figure it out for yourself. Okay, so first of all, we'll have to make a successful path from red and blue to these ramps, because these cannot jump like that. No way. Then we know that we want it to swap. It's because crossovers, they have a function of a ball flows down here and then the ball flows to here. So as you might have known, we'll put our crossovers here, 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 and here. That's because the ramps that here will go there. So red ball flow down, come here, flow, go here, flow, go here, flow, go here, flow, go here. So the red ball ends up in the blue lever. So let's try. So, as you see here, we have an output of red, blue, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, dot, 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 dot. So, by just using these simple ramps and crossovers, we can make an output of red, blue, because they keep constantly switching, but in the end, so it's basically very similar as last time's puzzle. I hope you enjoy. I hope to see you next time. Bye.